Retire early on any income. Your ultimate guide. Ever dreamt of retiring early, no matter your income? Well, it's possible, and we're here to show you how. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out in your career or you're already established. The principles of financial freedom are universal. In this video, we'll break down the steps to retire early on any income, from setting financial goals to building multiple income streams. Get ready to take control of your financial future. Setting crystal clear financial goals. Look, if you're serious about early retirement, the first step is getting laser focused with your financial goals. And I'm not talking about vague ideas like having more money. I mean specific, measurable targets. Do you want to retire by 40, by 50, even earlier? Write that down. Next, calculate exactly how much money you'll need to sustain your desired lifestyle in retirement. Factor in everything from housing and healthcare to travel and entertainment. This step is crucial because it gives you a clear target to work towards. Once you have that number, break it down into smaller, more manageable milestones. This makes the goal less daunting and helps you track progress along the way. The power of living below your means. Now, let's talk about one of the most important principles for early retirement: living below your means. This doesn't mean depriving yourself. It means being smart and intentional with your spending. The key is to differentiate between your needs and wants. Needs are essentials like housing, food, and transportation. Wants are things that enhance your life but aren't strictly necessary, like designer clothes, fancy gadgets, or eating out every night. Create a budget that prioritizes your needs and allocates a reasonable amount for your wants. Remember, every dollar you save today is a dollar that can grow exponentially in the market, bringing you one step closer to financial freedom. Investing early and consistently is key. Listen, I can't stress this enough. Investing early and consistently is the key to building long-term wealth. The magic of compound interest is real, my friends. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Even small, consistent investments can snowball over time into a significant nest egg. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but Nika, I don't have a lot of money to invest right now, and that's okay. The important thing is to start somewhere. Start small and gradually increase your contributions as your income grows. Remember, even if it's just $50 or $100 a month, every bit counts in the long run. Chapter 4, Building Multiple Income Streams, Your Path to Freedom. If there's one thing I've learned on my own journey to financial independence, it's the importance of diversifying your income. Relying solely on your 9-to-5 job can be risky. Multiple income streams provide a safety net and accelerate your path to early retirement. Think about it. The more money you have coming in from different sources, the faster you can reach your financial goals. Now, there are endless possibilities when it comes to generating additional income. You could start a side hustle, invest in real estate, or explore online business opportunities. The key is to find something you enjoy and that aligns with your skills and interests. Chapter 5, Never Stop Learning. Continuous financial education. The world of finance is constantly evolving, which is why continuous financial education is crucial for staying ahead of the game. Make it a habit to read books, listen to podcasts, and follow reputable financial experts. Stay informed about market trends, investment strategies, and new financial products. The more knowledge you acquire, the better equipped you'll be to make sound financial decisions. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself and your financial literacy. It's one of the best investments you can make. So, there you have it, the roadmap to early retirement. We've covered setting clear financial goals, living below your means, the power of investing early and consistently, building multiple income streams, and the importance of continuous financial education. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start planning for your future. Take control of your financial destiny now.